Alright, this video is going to be on how to replace the cabin filter on a 2016 and up Nissan Titan and the Titan Cummins diesel. So, the cabin filter is going to be behind the glove box, right back here behind that cover. And the easiest way to get to it is to take the glove box out, but it's not that big a deal. First thing we want to do is remove the tether from the right side of the glove box. Just get a pick and then let it go. It can wind up back in there, no big deal. Underneath the glove box, you're going to have a couple plastic clips that need to come out, 3 in total. One right here, and a third one that's hard to see, but it's right back in that area. You just have to reach up and grab it. They come out really easy. You don't need any tools. You just go up, grab it with your fingers, and they pull right out. And going back in is just as easy too. And like I said, the third one's a bit tricky. I couldn't get the camera back there, but it's still easy once you get your hand there. After you get those out, the glove box just comes out. Now, if the tether does fall out, it's this thing right here. Not a big deal. Yeah, this one fell out on me. The way it goes back in is you want to take the tether, put it through the slot that's made for it right there in the glove box area, and then you'll see it kind of snaps into place in those 2 circles. It slides in there and then over to the right, clicks into place, and then that tether strap hangs out of that slot there. Now with the cover, it's easier to get in there from the right side, but I was holding the camera, so it was a little bit tricky. But both sides are the same. Just click one off and then remove the other. And for video's sake, like I said, it was hard to hold the camera and do this. You really need 2 hands. It makes it a whole lot easier. So for video's sake, we're just going to pretend like we removed it and we're putting a new one in here. Just make sure the airflow arrow is in the right position. And once it's in there, shake it back and forth. Make sure it's nice and even. And then the cover is the same on both sides. So if you put it on either way, it's going to snap into place the same. Then get it on there, snap one side, reach over, snap the other. Then you want to give a little tug on it to make sure it's on there all the way. And then just put everything back together in reverse order. Now these tabs right here, you'll see on the glove box, you got 3 of them. They fit in the 3 slots that are on the instrument panel. And the 2 tabs you see on top of the box, you want to kind of slide them up in first and then the bottom, and it'll stay there. It'll lock in place. Then you take these clips, put them back in like so. And the third one, I can reach up and grab it with my hands, no problem, but it was a pain to get in there with the camera and do it. So you get the gist of it. Easy. And this is another thing that really helps to have 2 hands. I couldn't get this stupid thing on with just one hand and holding the camera. But if you put your finger there, that tether goes right back on. Make sure the glove box opens nice and slow motion. Everything's good, and there it is. That's how you replace a cabin filter on the 2016 and up Nissan Titan. Hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, peace.